This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable straws, specifically these Basic Nature PLA disposable plastic straws. They're 8 1/4 inches long, and they come either unwrapped or wrapped, giving you lots of options to fit your needs. They're made from a compostable plant-based bioplastic that's also recyclable, so they're a great eco-friendly option. And unlike paper straws, they won't get soggy. They're a great length that fits a variety of different cup sizes. They're for cold drinks only, and they've got this great vibrant green color that's a fantastic nod to their eco-friendly nature and a great way to tell your customers that you care. The unwrapped are a fantastic time saver, especially because they come in bulk quantities, and they're just easy to slip into drinks for your employees. And the wrapped option is a great one if you're looking for something that's a tamper evident packaged solution, especially if you're going to put them in with to-go orders or leave them out, say, in a stocked area for customers to grab themselves. So you've got different options for these fantastic PLA disposable plastic straws.